Having confidence, but more importantly, appearing confident, whether you're confident or completely nervous, is a huge key to your success, both in business and in life. One of the ways that somebody can tell you're probably nervous and you're lacking in confidence is our voice tends to go up a little bit. We tend to speak a little faster and a little bit higher. I want you to practice the cadence. I want you to practice the pace, the timbre of your voice. Even when you're nervous, even when you're stressed out, if you just slow things down and keep your voice at its naturally lower, you don't have to artificially make your voice low, but just slow things down and talk at your natural lower level, your lower timbre. People are going to say, wow, this person is confident, this person is calm, this person knows what they're talking about. Even when you don't. But when you start talking like this and you get excited and you start talking faster and higher, they're going to lose all credibility in you. My name's Matt Easton. Follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.